Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and simply cancel your Disney Plus subscription. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, it's simply gonna go to your browser and simply go ahead search in disneyplus.com. Once you get there, actually simply gonna go to this account section. You will go to this account section, which will simply gonna look like this. If you swipe it to your right, you will find this option called billing details in this section of your subscription that you have gotten. So let's say if you got a monthly, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this billing details, and in this billing details will open up another form which includes your details, including subscription amount, which plan you have taken, and in this right side of that you will find this cancel subscription option, which is highlighted as well. You're going to go ahead, tap on it, and now that will simply open this cancel subscription article, which will be given by Disney Plus itself. You're going to go to this section of complete cancellation. You can go ahead, read it out if you would like to. Why would you like to cancel, etc. Tap on this delete complete cancellation. If once you have tapped on it, you will get another confirmation regarding it. Once you confirm that, you will be able to simply cancel your subscription for Disney Plus like that. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.